To create a task list, start by searching for a task management tool in your web browser. Once you've accessed the website, log into your account to view your dashboard, which features a range of options, including your tasks, projects, and templates. If you're creating a new project, you'll see a syncing error message, as well as options to share, view comments, and access more project actions. By clicking on the View button, you can switch to a list or board view, allowing you to toggle task completion, view calendar feedback, and sort or group tasks manually. You can also filter tasks by due date, priority, or labels, which helps you understand what needs to be done and when. For instance, you can filter tasks by due date, selecting options such as today, this week, or next 7 days, or prioritize tasks using labels like P1, P2, P3, or P4. This allows you to group tasks by filters, making it easier to manage your workload.